Hello, welcome back to the Audacity editing tutorial video at here in the textbook 3.3, chapter 3.3 and page 13. And we talk more about the editing you check. Okay, so first I go back to the Audacity at here. First, it is the project that I just done from the last video. So I stop it here. I just close all the chat first, let you know more. Okay, I click the button. Now I'm going to recording my voice. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk more about the effects and editing functions in Audacity. So sometimes you want to do some fade in and fade out, which means the volume starting from small to loud, and loud to small, decreasing the volume. Okay, so how to do this? You can go to all effect, you can go to the effects button menu. Okay, so go inside and click the area that you want to fade in and fade out. It is the first function in this video I want to show you. Okay, for example, I select this part and let you see more clear. It is not very good editing, so click fade in. See, just change the sound wave, something like this, and also you can try the effect of fade out. It will decreasing the volume at this area. Okay, so it is not good. I will not. I just let you hear first. Okay, so return Control Z, going back to normal. So I just back at here first. So it is the first editing skills that you notice. Okay, so trim. What is trim? It's quite easy for understand. Don't want to. I want to remove this part. You can simply click the backspace or just click the delete button in the keyboard. Move the sound wave. Okay, so the next trim. Okay, trim. After trim, speed and drag. Okay, how to speed the track at here? Okay, I found this one. I should speed it and add some recording at this area, this part. So you can try to click edit. Yes. Click boundaries and then speed. Okay, or Control I. Simply click on it, and after that you choose the moving to time shift 2. Click this button over here. Okay, then you can move this track array from here. So it is the why we always try to use this function. After that, I try to use the selection to put it here. I want to record at its position. But once I click on this record button, maybe we're starting from here. Okay, you can try to click stop and also try to use the moving track tools, move this path to here. Okay, you can move freely. Something like this. All right. So I just going back to normal first case, and then this is the speed and drag. After that, amplification I showed you in other videos, so I will not talk too much in this function. Fade in and fade out, just talk to you. And open a music and try to listen some parts of music and try to use the function I told you how to do this, okay? And noise reduction, okay, I would like to talk more what is a noise. Okay, I just mute this part first. Would like to add new track and recording a track in a new track. Okay, I just simply record some sound from my room. I play for you. You cannot hear because the environment is quite good. Okay, so I just enlarge some dB. Okay, you can hear the background actually. So how can I remove the noise? I can use the selection to select this area. I definitely don't want to hear some noise at here. So you can go to effects and noise reduction. Noise reduction. How to click it? Where is it? Okay, amplified. Going to add the middle at here. Okay, noise reduction. Then I get this profile as a noise and select all the area here and go to click effect and reduction, noise reduction, click it. Okay. Then here again. All right. Even you increase, amplify the volume at here, but you still cannot hear some raw noise in this track. Okay. That is quite important for you to know this function. All right, going back to normal first, and I want to close it. Okay, the textbook go through noise reduction, easy. Vocal remover. Vocal remover, how to use it. Sometimes I don't want to hear the vocal in the music because you want to sync with the music only with the background. So you can try to click here and mirror it first. Click the effects. It is a little bit low. You should click the arrow button until you can see the bottom. Okay, this is the bottom. Vocal reduction and isolation. Click effects. Again, click here, this part. Select the audio vocal reduction and isolate. For example, you want to remove this part. Click effects, vocal reduction, and I click just OK. Oops. Then it will generate, it is quite funny. It will generate another form on the other, for example, you record in the left, in the channel 1, and then you will generate in another waveform in channel 2. Okay, I play it. Okay, maybe sometimes the concept is just doing some reflection of the area, reflection of the waveform. Okay, I'm trying to click it again. Effects, vocal remover, click OK. See? I go through of here. When the amplitude go through is up, then it will generate another waveform, just cancellation. Do some cancellation of the waveform at this point. Okay, but what is the level that's used to cancel the vocal is all calculated by the computer. So this function is quite useful for you to generate some music for your singing, but it is not perfect. Okay, it is not 100%. So generating sound. Okay, so generating sounds, that is a quite useful function, noise generation. Sometimes you want to test your devices. Okay, I just close this chat first. You can go to click the button, generate noise. You can click here and go here. I just generate noise. Yes, you can test in your devices if you want, but I don't want to hear any more again. Okay, so this one is generating noise and silent generation. Sometimes if I talk right here and I would like to mute, I want to remove the sound from the noise. At here, you can select this part, and then this is very important and very useful. Generate silence. Okay, then it will remove all the noise in this area. Okay, so it is quite useful. So after that, please try to finish the checkpoint 5, choosing the effects. Which effect do we use to solve the following problems? Okay, you can too much unless sound in background. Remove noise reduction should be. Okay, remove noise reduction. The song end too sharply, then I watch to fade out. Okay, fade out. Vocal in pop song unwanted. Vocal remover. Okay, and audio is too loud. You can use the amplification to lower down the voice. Okay, too loud. And even you can try to use the silent generation. Okay, so a pause has to be added in the middle of audio. You can try to use the speed and jack. Okay, so that's all of this tutorial video. It is the checkpoint 5, which you enjoy. See you next video.